Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Productboard for feature prioritization projects, complete guide step by step clearly. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin your subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, fill in your email address and choose a strong password. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after this step. Check your inbox for an email from Productboard. Click on the verification link within the email to activate your account. Once verified, return to the Productboard website and log in with your new credentials. Upon logging in, you will be taken to the Productboard dashboard. Next, look for the option to start a new project. Select the feature prioritization project type that fits your needs. You will be prompted to enter details about your project. Provide a descriptive title and a brief overview of the project goals. Once finished, click Create Project to move forward. Now, you can begin importing your features into the project. Select the Features tab from the Project menu. Use the Add Feature button to include relevant features. Fill in the necessary information for each feature you want to prioritize. After adding features, arrange them according to their importance. Drag and drop features to reorder them based on your prioritization criteria. Utilize the built-in scoring and feedback tools for better decision-making. Invite team members to collaborate by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses and specify their roles for the project. Once your team is added, schedule regular check-ins to ensure progress. As your project evolves, update feature details and priorities as needed. Finally, leverage Productboard's reporting features to track your project's success. These steps will guide you through subscribing and starting your feature prioritization projects effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.